namaste, welcome to Greet Tarot. So how are you guys doing? I hope you're doing good, being safe and healthy. So if you're new here, if you like my content, please give it a like, subscribe, comment or a share. Or if you have already subscribed my channel, thank you so very much. So in the description box I have my Instagram page link. If you want to follow me there, please go ahead and give it a follow. And the decks that I'll be using in this reading will also be listed in the description box, okay? So today's pick a card reading is about what you're manifesting in your life, okay? So that is going to be the reading for today. So remember, these are general readings, so take what resonates and leave the rest behind, guys. Okay, so I have three animals here, sea animals here. So select one. Okay, so relax, let go of all the worries. Okay, just chill and then select a photo. So I have three groups over here. For group number one, we have the seahorse. Okay, for group number two, we have this jellyfish and for group number three, we have this octopus. Okay, so close your eyes, relax, and then intuitively select a photo. Remember, these are general readings, so in the timestamps will be listed in the description box below. Okay, so this is 1, this is 2, and this is 3. So if you need more time, pause the video and then select. Okay, so I'm gonna go with group number 1. Hello group 1, if you chose seahorse. So for you guys, the message that I'm getting is, first is very healing energy is coming. So for many of you, you are healing a difficult situation or a heartbreak, I feel like that. And with this I feel, you will be able to see the two sides of the coin. You will be able to see in different directions what is working for you, what is not working for you, and you will be able to see the different opportunities coming into your life. So I feel a lot of guidance is coming your way. If you connect with your spirit guides, ancestors, I feel they are sending you a lot of signs. Okay, so a lot of opportunities, a lot of guidance is coming your way, a lot of messages. So be open to that. Okay, so I feel you will be able to see different scenarios. Sometimes we only think in one way, so I feel for you guys, you will be able to think in a different manner. You will be able to see two sides of a coin, different perspective. You're going to have different perspective, I feel like that. And you're very protected, you're going to be in your power. Okay, a lot of guidance is coming. That is one thing I see for you guys, is a lot of guidance is coming, and you have the power and a lot of healing energy. Okay, and if you are a parent, I feel you'll be able to manage your kids very well. If you're like struggling with them, I feel like then in the future you will be able to manage them, you will be able to see their perspective also, I'm getting here. Okay, so that is what is coming here. I feel balance is coming, harmony is coming your way, but definitely one thing you need to know is, like, you need to be open to that. Okay, so sometimes we see signs and we don't think it is we don't trust our intuition. So it's important you trust your intuition, you trust yourself more, okay, than other people, I'm getting here. Okay, and parenting, if you're a parent and if you feel bad, sometimes I feel parenting is different for we all have a different style of parenting. So don't let anyone else tell you that you're less, you're not doing the work you need to do, because I feel this pile is doing the work. Okay, sometimes we feel like guilty that we are not taking care, or we are not spending too much time with our kids, right? Isn't it? Sometimes we feel guilty, so you don't have to be guilty. I feel you're doing the best you can. Okay, so be calm about that. I don't know why some mothers or fathers are here like stressing about their child, whether they are spending too much, are you not spending too much time with them, are you not giving them the love you want them to give. I know that you're very kind souls. Okay, but remember, sometimes you are also a human being. Remember that you are not a robot, so you cannot be for everything. So take your time, relax, and yes, you will get time, you will be able to manage your family well, so don't worry about that. So I see some worried people here about their children. You're worried very much about your children, so don't be worried if you're worried. And for others, I feel like maybe for some of you, you're healing your issues with your parents. Okay, in the future I see that you might be talking to them if you're not talking to them, or maybe you will be seeing their perspective also. It's like seeing other people perspective, that is manifesting for you guys, and you will know that, oh, they felt like that. Okay, so you will be changing your perspective about other people. For I feel for some of you, if you have a misunderstanding, I feel like that misunderstandings are all going away. Okay, if you're in a partnership, I feel a solid partnership is happening for you guys, and you'll be like, oh, they did that because they felt like that, maybe they misunderstood you, so that's why they did something. So I feel the misunderstandings are clearing. Okay, and you are going to have an open communication, and because of that you will be healing. Okay, or maybe yeah, I feel lot of like a negotiation, something like that. You might be having you'll be making a decision that will be beneficial for both the parties, I'm getting. Okay, so because you're seeing the that is what I'm feeling. Like a discussion is happening, and you are like able to manage, you are able to see their side also and your side also, and getting to a conclusion where both the parties are happy, something like that. Okay. Yeah, that is what I'm feeling. Okay, so let's see what else is manifesting for you. So yeah, so if you are going through some like problems with that, I feel family issues are solving or something like that. Yeah, and then yeah. Oh, okay, so yeah, that is what I felt. Okay, so let's see. Okay, it's time to release negativity. Full moon in Scorpio, and yeah, you release your fears, release your fear of judgment. I don't know, I feel you're feeling that people are judging you. You need to don't fear about that. Okay, emotions are running high, definitely. I see that. You're very, as I said, um, you're thinking too much about a situation, but I feel you will have a clear-cut idea. You're going to release that negativity. Okay, you're going to release all the tension, you're going to release all the worry, so the stress, anxieties, it's going to be released. I feel like that. Okay, and you will know, for some of you I feel you will know what is your energy, what is other people energy. Maybe you're taking other people energy also, and you know what is not yours, and you'll be releasing that also. I feel like that. And I feel personal resolution is coming. Some if there is discord between someone, I feel you will, maybe you are the mediator who will be like resolving other people issues also. I don't know why I'm getting that. Maybe you are doing that also. That is also manifesting. Maybe your friends are fighting and you will be the middle person and solving their problems or something like that. But don't get too involved, because don't try to take one side. Just be like impartial. Yeah. Okay, so that is what I'm getting. Yeah, and for some of you, definitely it's time to release that negative thoughts about yourself, negative thoughts that you're not doing enough. Okay, so I feel that is what is manifesting. You're going to be realizing that you cannot handle everything, and it's okay to say no, it's okay to ask for help. Okay, yeah, you're also a human being. I feel that is what you're understanding yourself also. I feel like that for many of you, you have been struggling with loving yourself. I don't know why. Sometimes we love other people, we take care of other people, but we don't take care of ourselves. But I feel that finally you will be taking care of yourself. That is manifesting for you. I feel self-love. You're releasing that negativity, you're letting go of the people who are not good for you, you're letting go of the idea that is not good for you. Maybe you have an idea about yourself that I should be there for them, I should do this, I should be there for them, I'm meant to do this, I'm meant to do this, I'm meant to sacrifice everything or something like that. Now you're getting out of that idea that I cannot be able to do everything. Sometimes I will not be there for some people, and it's okay, because you are also a human being. You also need time. Okay, you are not able to take other people emotions, because I feel like that you're taking other people emotion also, and that is making you imbalanced. Okay, so I feel that is what is happening in the future. You're healing your energies. You're maybe sometimes people put you in a situation where you're where you are the middleman or something, and you don't want to be in that position, right? They are fighting, and you are meant to deal with all that situation, and you don't want to deal it. So if you don't want to deal with it, just say no and get out of the situation. I feel like that. Don't put yourself in a situation where you don't like. Say no, that I don't want to deal with it. I have my own problems. I want to spend some quality time with myself and get out of it. Okay, So yeah, so connect with your spirit guides, because you know the purple color, you know, I feel like that you need to connect with your spirit guides, with your angels, because they will be giving you a lot of ideas for your own work. Maybe for some of you, you are multitaskers and you do a lot of work at the same time, and you get tired but you don't take rest. So it's time to take rest, and because of that sometimes your emotions are very high, you know, you don't know what to do. Sometimes you take other people's emotions and you will be very very negative. So release that kind of thing, do meditations, release. Okay, that is very important for you guys. I feel like that you take other people responsibilities also. Don't take other people's responsibilities. I'm getting that. Okay, strongly just do what you are meant to do. You don't owe other people. Like sometimes, you know, they are, if they are adult, they owe their life, not you. Don't get too much caught up in that. Okay, helping is good, you know, but don't over help. I don't know why you're like too much caught up in their problems. I feel like that for some of you, and it's like taking your peace away. So don't do that. Okay, and for some of you, definitely you're releasing that, you're getting out of it, you're managing for balance. A lot of balance is coming your way, and I feel if you're a mother, you will be able to, you know, balance well your career and your home life. I feel like that. And one more thing I need to say is that don't feel guilty if you're not able to be there. You know, sometimes will not be for everyone. You know, you are just a human being. Remember that. Okay, don't be guilty about it. For some of you, I don't know, you're so kind, and yeah, so don't be guilty. I don't know. Yeah, happiness. Yeah, happiness is your purpose, guys. So happiness is manifesting. Look at that. A lot of I don't know, I feel that energy. You are like this kind of you know, you're a kind of person who bring happiness to other people. You resolve other people's problems, but at the same time you are not giving that time to yourself. So I feel you need to give more time, but definitely I see you doing that in the future. That is also you're manifesting peace, happiness, calmness. And if you're a mother, I feel you will be protecting your kids well. You will be doing your, you know, you don't need to worry about your kids also. They are also protected. I feel like that. So it's like they will be happy with you, you will be happy with them. Okay, so be the master of playful living. Release expectations and enjoy every day. Let worry go and instead choose love. Surrender to the waves. Your good destiny of love is sure. So what I was saying is like that only, you know, release that, like, you know, your expectation to yourself. Your expectation is so high about yourself that you have to be for them. You cannot be for everyone. Know that, and it's okay. You can't do that for everyone. You're taking other people's energy. That is what I'm strongly feeling. And you're getting irritated, you're getting stressed, you're having anxiety because of other people something like that. So take only yours. Don't take other people's emotions, and enjoy life, because you're meant to be happy. Okay, maybe if you are older and your kids call you and say their problems, and then you get stressed out, you know, sometimes it's okay to have a boundary with that also. I feel like that, because you know, yeah, you love your kids. I know that everyone loves their kid, and their problem is your problem, but that doesn't mean you have to stress, you know. So choose your happiness also. It's important. Take care of your health also. Okay, very important here, because you are meant for love. You're meant to give love to other people and enjoy that lovely life you have. You're meant to be happy. Okay, so definitely remember that. Okay, you're meant to be happy. You came here to be happy, not to suffer. And that is what is manifesting you. Happiness. Your anxiety is going, you're releasing that, and you're taking charge of yourself. I feel like that. Power is coming. You're taking the strength, you know. You're like, yes, I am, you're like, yes, I have power, and I'm going to use it for myself. I'm taking charge of my emotions only. I'm not going to get into other people problems and you know, take away my peace of mind. You're coming in that. I feel like that. And because of that, you will be you know, in the future I see you be happy. If you're stressing, there is no more stress, because you're taking charge of your happiness. I feel like that. look, we have Six of Pentacles and the, look, well-being. Yes, definitely. I feel in the past you used to give only, you didn't get back, but finally balance is coming. There is a lot of imbalance in this. You're giving, you're not getting it back. So finally now I feel you will be getting back also, because you're taking that power. You're finally saying no. Okay, I feel like that. Okay, and that's good, isn't it? Look, wow, look at that. Your despair, your anxiety is, you're getting victory over there. As I was saying, you're releasing all that negativity that is not yours. You're releasing. I feel you stress about other people. Why I'm getting that? You stress a lot about other people life. You want to make everyone happy, and because of that you're not enjoying your life, and I feel you're getting victory over that. You're like, no, I cannot do that anymore. Okay, I have to take care of myself, I have to take care of my well-being, and that is what is manifesting for you guys. For you guys, you're taking charge of yourself, and you're getting victorious over that. I feel for many of you, if you are in social media or something, there is victory coming for you guys, and a lot of 6 and 6 harmony is coming. Healing energy is coming for you guys. Okay, so I feel like that finally the stress and all the negative thoughts are all going away, and happiness is coming. Yes, so a lot of balance with the 6 number. Look, the 6 number, maybe your 6 life path 6. Okay, because of your life path 6, you will be like taking care of other people. You're the caretakers. I feel like that, and it's not good always, because you're not taking care of other people. You're just taking care of, you're not taking care of yourself, but other people. That was, so yeah, your well-being, you are now taking care of yourself. What's manifesting for you is your own well-being, your own happiness, taking power there, and enjoying your own life, balancing your career, your family life very well. Okay, your partnerships are also going to be blooming. I feel like that. If you're single, I see you might be meeting someone, or maybe a friend who will give you a lot of happiness, or maybe forming a community where you will be very happy, I feel for many of you, you're attracting people who will give you back the same love. Sometimes we give and we don't get back. Okay, now I feel there will be a balance, and because of that you're getting out of this energy, where you're feeling alone, where you're feeling stressed, where you don't have you might not be able to sleep well also, right? And for some of it, definitely I feel your health is also improving. Okay, yeah, healing, health wise healing, mental healing. Okay, so something like that is also coming. Wow, a lot of happiness, a lot of joy. Yeah, 2 of Wands. Maybe for some of you manifesting travel also. You might travel. Okay, let's see. Wow, yeah, we have Ace of Pentacles also. You're getting out of that. Oh, look at that, Ace of Pentacles and the Sun. So if you're worried about your finances, so I see your finances are also improving. You yeah, something new is coming. And for some of you, if you're you might become a grandmother. I don't know why I'm getting that. Maybe grandmother or mother. Okay, so that kind of energy is coming, or maybe you'll become an aunt or something like that. Some happy news are coming. And for some of you, a new way of income is gonna open up, and that will make you very happy, and you will be feeling on the top of the world. I'm getting, so that is manifesting. For some of you, definitely travel, and that will make you very happy. Happiness is manifesting. So as I said, happiness is coming with the Sun card, and happiness card, definitely happiness is manifesting. You will be very joyful, you will be enjoying your life. Money wise also, there will be balance. A lot of balance is coming, but definitely you need to take care of yourself first. Okay, and say no when you want to say no. Remember that. Okay, that is very important for you guys. Don't take other people's energy, because I see this pile is like, yeah, a lot of happiness, guys. With the Sun energy and Ace of Pentacles, new start about something, new things, victory, well-being. The words, look at the words, well-being, victory, the Sun, and you're getting out of that despair. So you need to release that negative energies. That is very important. Okay, so let's see the keywords, if you have any keywords from this fairy tarot. Sorry, fairy dust oracle cards. Let's see. Okay, Fairy guides, wow, you fairy guides. I feel, you need to have a lot of fun. You need to do fun. Are you doing fun? Are you going out having fun? Or are you meeting with the friends that you like, where you can say anything you want to do, anything you can say, something like that. Connect with the people who you can have fun with. Not the people who are always saying their negative stories or something like that, making you worried. Spend some quality time with yourself. Maybe you're the one you need to spend some quality time with. Okay, and your fairy guides are like, yeah, we are with you. Why are you fearing? Why are you stressed? Life is good for you. That is what I'm feeling. Yeah, again, travel. You need to get out of your house, guys, and have some quality time with yourself. Get into nature. Take that backpack, get your compass, adventure is yours. Get out of the city and enjoy the outdoors. Yeah, that is what you need to do right now. And when you do, you will be so in peace, and that is when things will happen for you. You need to release that negativity, right? So release the things that are not yours. Release the other people's emotions. I feel you're taking other people's emotions. Maybe you're very kind people, empaths, okay? That is the thing. Because I see all this happiness for you and balance. But definitely, you need to take your power, okay? Say, yeah, if you don't want to do something, say no. Don't do. You cannot be there for everyone. Remember that, okay? Group number 1, what your charms have to add to this. Okay, let's see. What's manifesting for group number 1? Oh, okay, I have first thing, travel. Oh, finally, you will be able to travel. I feel like that. You're going to be very busy also. Okay, look, yeah, time to go out and have fun. You're very protected. Okay, there is like anger here. Yeah, you need to release that anger, that negativity, that anything is you need to release. A lot of wisdom is coming. Oh, you might be seeing owls. Okay, maybe this is your spirit animal. Okay, so they are giving you a signs. Okay, a lot of peace is coming, and we have tea. Okay, like paint your own colors. Don't paint other people's colors. Paint the colors that you like. If someone likes blue, that doesn't mean you like blue. If you like pink, paint with pink. Okay, use your own colors. Okay, so like it's time to read some books. Time to journal the emotions, time to release that negativity. Write it down on the paper and burn it away. Have a cup of coffee and enjoy your life. Yeah, unicorn, magical things are on the way. So just let go of this negativity, let go of the anger. I feel for some of you it's not even your energy, it's someone else. Take that out from you. Just release it. Do some meditations, releasing meditations. Oh, we have this, look, yeah, healing energy, green color. Where fell down here. Like your heart chakra is opening up. So you need to, maybe it's closed right now, because a lot of blessings are manifesting for you. A lot of happiness, a lot of well-being, a lot of balanced energies, Just you need to do is to have fun. And try, say no when you want to say no. Don't get too caught up on other people's problems. I feel like that for this pile. Instead, focus on yourself. Okay, let's see what else we have. ROEJ, B, and for some of you, okay, blood pressure, if you have that, because you are stressing about something, I don't know, and it's because you are taking other people's problems. I feel like that. And for many of you, if you're a mother, you feel like you're not doing enough for your kids. Don't feel like that. You're doing enough. Okay, you are there for them, right? So don't put so much pressure on you. I feel like that this pile is doing that. Yes, you're doing good, guys. You're also human, remember that. Okay, and if your kids, if you have a lot of pressure or studying, don't take too much pressure on yourself. Enjoy your time. Maybe you're, because of other people's expectations, you're suffering. Don't do that. Okay, PSC. Okay, there's an exam, PSC. I don't know if that's for anyone. Then yeah, you need to read books, some good books, some fun books. Okay. Yeah. So yeah, that's all I have for group number 1, guys. Bye bye, take care. Group number 2, if you choose this jellyfish, then this is your reading. With this jellyfish, they are guided by the wind. They move according to the wind or something like that. So I feel for this pile, yes, I feel Mother Earth. You're very connected to Mother Earth, and she guides you, or your spirit guides your ancestors are guiding you. You need to listen to them. You need to trust your emotions. You need to listen to the wisdom of your own body. Okay, you need to trust your intuition. So that is what is happening. So if you want to manifest something in your life, you need to trust and have faith. You need to trust your intuition as well as a faith in yourself, in universe. That is when you will you'll be able to manifest the things you desire. And yes, you are connected with the divine. I feel like that. A lot of connection with the spirit world, I feel like, for you guys. Okay, and Mother Earth, Gaia, I feel like that. So maybe you need to get into nature, have quality time with them. And yeah, I feel like that is very important here with this jellyfish coming here. Maybe you're seeing, if you have seen jellyfish, then this is very important message for you. Need to trust your intuition, need to trust your talent, need to trust your power. Okay, because yeah, that will give you a lot of success and abundance in your life. I feel like that. Okay, so let's see what else. And yeah, I don't know, again I'm getting Mother Earth, Gaia. Get out and spend some quality time there. Oh wow, look, your hard work is paying off, guys. Finally, your hard work is paying off. And yes, so yeah, the fruits of your labor, you're gonna harvest or something like that. Yeah, you have planted the seeds, you have been working on this. Finally, that will be, yeah, that is important here. Let's see what else. Don't let pride get in your way. Okay, for some of you, if you're a business owner or something, you do your services, don't think that low about yourself, or don't set some low standards. Be confident about yourself. And if you feel that if you're doing some spiritual business or anything, if you're making art, if you're working for that much, don't be afraid to put that price tag. I'm getting, okay, maybe for some of you, you are like, oh, whether I should charge less or whether I'm charging more than needed. Don't think, low self-esteem will not work here. Be confident about your work, because your hard work is paying off. You have worked a lot for this. And for some of you, you need to sometimes we feel that we are not that capable to receive that much money, or we are not capable to have that thing in our life, or we are not capable to have that love, or we are not capable to have that person in our life, because we think small of ourselves. Don't do that, guys. I feel for this pile is like, yeah, if you want to sell something and you're like, oh, I cannot put that much price, is that worthy? And you might have worked so hard for that piece, but then also you will be like, oh, that is very costly, I shouldn't put that much money on that service or that piece of art, because you feel that other people will not buy your work. So you're not confident about your work. So you need to be more confident, and remember, you have worked hard for this. And don't let pride get on your way. Don't be afraid to put that even if other people say that it's very costly, you have worked hard for it, isn't it? So if you're an artist, if you give services, you have worked hard for it, and it's your right to put that price tag. I don't know, this is what is coming here. Okay, so remember that. Be confident about your work. Don't let that pride get in your way. Don't let people say you that it's costly. And for some of you, you need to be, yeah, you're very afraid to come out or something like that with your piece, or because you're very shy or something. So don't let that happen for you guys. Okay, because it's time to shine. It's time to show your work to the world. I'm getting, okay, it's not the time to be in the comfort zone, be in the box. It's time to get out of the box. It's their problem if they think bad about yourself. It's not your energy. You don't have to take, because you are getting a lot of signs from the universe, and it's time to show your work. You have been working hard, right? It's the time for it's the time for harvest. I'm getting that. Okay, it's time for harvest. It's time to make your dreams come true. It's time to reap the rewards. Okay, you have worked hard, it's time. That is what is manifesting. So don't put yourself in a box. That is very important here. Okay, don't do that. Be confident about your work. And yeah, if you're very sometimes, if you're stressing a lot, just relax, take a 5 minutes break and connect with Mother Earth. Okay, she will give you a lot of guidance, I feel. Oh, keeper of secrets. Take time out for the yeah, I was talking about that. Take some time out from the world when you're feeling stressed. Okay, so let's see. Okay. Take time out from the world and be the observer. Nothing can deceive you when you trust your knowing. I told you about that, isn't it? Your spirit guides, your angels are with you. They are guiding you. Mother Earth is with you. They're guiding you. So always trust yourself. Always trust your intuition here. Okay? No one can deceive you. Remember that no one can deceive you. So if you're selling something, who is good for you, who are they just making up things. So that time you need to trust your intuition. Okay, so nothing can deceive you when you trust your knowing. Remember that. Always trust your gut feeling, guys. You see others' secret and keep them sacred. Oh, in silence and solitude, you will find your strength. So, yeah, I was talking about that, isn't it? Just whenever you're afraid, whenever you're stressed, just spend some quality time with yourself. Go to nature. If you have a garden, spend some quality time there. If you cannot go outdoor, just sit with yourself. Light a candle. Play some soft music. Relax, connect with Mother Earth Gaia. Okay, so I feel that Mother Earth Gaia is very strong for you guys. Maybe you believe in her or something like that, but definitely what's manifesting is for you is that no one can deceive you because your intuition is on point. So remember to always trust your intuition, and yes, your hard work is paying off. And don't let maybe for some of you, what happens is sometimes we feel low about ourselves. As I said, don't feel low about yourself. And if you're in a relationship, if you want to make that call, if you want to call a friend, if you're feeling that, if you're getting that if you're getting that urge to call this person, don't let your ego stop from that also. Okay, just make a call because that will be beneficial for you guys. Or maybe if you want to call some people for advertising yourself or something like that. Don't be sometimes we as people are so afraid of advertising ourselves or something like that. Oh, what will other people will think if we advertise our art or something like that. Just go for it. Don't let your pride get in that way. Okay, I'm feeling that is also coming here because you're like feeling low. Oh, I should do that or not, what will other people think. It's okay. Don't let that, don't do that. Okay, and that your intuition is very strong. I have to say, always trust your intuition. That will give you a lot of abundance. I feel like that. Definitely you have been working hard, and that is what is yeah, your hard work is paying off, guys. Remember that. Death. Oh, a lot of transformation. For this pile, I feel you have gone through a lot of spiritual transformation. Completely new life. Maybe new career. Look, completely new life. Oh, wow. Okay, and back of the deck we have Ace of Pentacles. Okay, for some of you, this is a new thing you're doing, right? Maybe you are starting new. Maybe you're starting a career, new career. And you're afraid of that. Maybe you are getting out of your 9-to-5 job and doing something that you're passionate about. Don't be so afraid. Let that worry go. Let that ego go. Okay, and for some of you, you have let your past, you have completely let go of your past, and you're now starting a new life, and this new life will give you a lot of happiness, guys. So don't be so afraid, because Fool energy, Fool is someone who is not afraid to take risk, right? He's not for this Fool energy, they're like they don't care about their pride, they don't have ego, they're like, they believe in everyone, they trust, but you that kind of energy, so where you're happy. So yeah, don't let that pride come in this way, you know, just let it go, and remember to trust your intuition, because you have that power. Use it wisely, guys. So yeah, a lot of intuition, you know, you have this intuitive capabilities that is manifesting for you guys. A lot of your hard work is paying off. New life is manifesting for you guys. The way of living is manifesting. The way of thinking, you know, you're a new person now. Your way of thinking is shifting. Complete transformation for you guys. I feel for many of you, you are like, you have worked a lot on your shadow side, and yeah, confusion. Yeah, trust your intuition. That is what I'm feeling with the Two of Swords. You're very confused. You need to just trust your intuition. Go out, relax, take a break. That is important here, because I see a lot of new yeah, with the Seven of Swords. Okay, for some of you, your pride is coming in this way. Okay, your pride. So with the 7 and 6, I feel you are you don't like when people offer help. Okay, you're you don't know, you're not sure about that also. You don't like it. You don't ask for help. Okay, for some of you, if someone is giving you money, you're not, so you're like, why are they giving me money, can I accept this money? You're so prideful at that time also. It's okay to you know, if someone likes your work, if they give you some money, just take it. Why are you thinking that you're not capable, or you're not deserving? Or maybe your parents have told you that in the past that you cannot have that, you know, you shouldn't take money from other people if they are helping, you know. Maybe some people will give you generous money and you will be like, no, I don't want it. Spirit is saying, don't let that pride come in their way, because it will be good for you. Just take that money. If they offering you know, if they're happy with your work and giving that to you, just take it. I don't know, maybe you have problem with that. You have problem with accepting help. I'm getting, you want to do everything by yourself. It's okay to accept help. Yeah, okay. Yeah, all I see is like complete transformation. You're changing your limited beliefs. Yeah, that is also manifesting. But right now I feel like you're so confused whether you should go with this. You have been working a lot. You want to follow this passion, but you're like confused whether I should go with this. Or for some of you, I feel your pride is getting in the way. Okay, you're so because of your limited beliefs here. Okay, your limited beliefs, your past, your subconscious mind is like playing games. I feel like that it's your own subconscious mind that is saying that you're not your work will not be you know, you're not good enough to get that money, you don't deserve, and you need to cut that out. You are transforming that is manifesting for you guys. I feel right now you are in this position where you're thinking whether your art or craft, whether your creative thing is good enough or not. But it's good enough. Okay, your angels, your spirit guides are saying that, your intuition is saying that to you, but you're not trusting your intuition, because you are in the past. I feel because it's because of the past where people have told you that you're not good, right? So that is what is coming. So you need to let go of that. That is why death card is there. You're transforming. Okay, believe in yourself, because fool believes in them. They are not afraid to take a risk. They just go with the flow. Okay, even though you fall, you will be taken care of, because you're so protected by your spirit guides, angels. So don't be afraid to take, if someone is offering you some help, just take it. Don't let your pride come in that way also. I'm feeling like that also. You're so much maybe from childhood itself you are so, you don't you feel like you don't deserve someone's help or something like that. I feel for many of you are getting in your way. In your own manifestations, you're the one coming in between. So just be free like a fool. Okay, so that's important. Just let go of that worry, stress, and be confident about your work. Yeah, okay. So let's see. Oh, you got, look, creative and butterfly transformation. Butterfly talks about transformations. You are in this cocoon. What I see is you will be that butterfly in the future. Okay, so get out of that comfort zone. Trust your creativity. Okay, trust your intuition, everything. This is what is strongly coming for you guys. So like a canvas for you to use, paint all the colors of happy moods. Okay, so yeah, you are this paint. you are the one who can make your life happy. So why are you putting the colors of other people in your canvas? Put your own colors, the colors you like. Okay, so that's important. And I feel for many of you, you have been told that you're not worthy enough. There were people in your life who have told, and because of that only you have that problem right now. You need to let go, and I feel that you will be letting go of that. You're gonna get out of that cocoon stage. You will not be the caterpillar anymore. You're going to be the butterfly. And remember your ancestors. If someone has passed, or if you have a loved one, a caring loved one who have passed, they are with you, they are guiding you, they're giving you messages. Your ancestors, your spirit guides, your spirit animals. I don't know, I'm getting this cat energy strong here. Okay, cat, yeah, cat, lions, maybe you're Leo. Okay, I don't know why, but definitely believe in yourself, guys. Believe in your own creativity and paint your canvas with your colors, not with other people's color. Don't put yourself, you don't have to come into other people's expectations. Just believe in yourself, trust the universe, and trust in your own work. Be confident about your work like a fool, right? Yes, fool is someone who is not afraid of anything. He is not afraid of other people's judgment, right? So you have to be like that only, because you are so afraid of other people's judgment about yourself. What other people will think about me if I do this, if I do that? Just let it go and do your work anyway, because you're getting so much of downloads, so much of your intuition is so strong. Listen to that. Are you listening to your intuition? That is the question here. Are you? You need to listen, and when you listen and take step, your life will be happy like a fool. You will not be worrying too much, and accept help. You maybe, for some of you, will get a generous donation or something like that. Accept that. Why you have problem not accepting that? Accept help, because these people will give you sometimes people are there for help. They are not taking your advantage. Maybe in the past you have gone through like that, but always trust your intuition in this also. Okay, that's very important. But yeah, there are a lot of lot of spirit guides, lot of angels, lot of ancestors. They are helping you. Your ancestor, someone is there, passed on loved one, that is with you. They are helping you, they're giving you the messages, but you're like, no, can I trust myself? You're like not trusting yourself, right? So yeah, a lot of happiness. Your hard work is paying off. You're going to be like this full energy. I'm feeling that you'll be so happy, not so worried. You're very creative people. Trust in your own creation, guys, and trust in this universe, because that will take you so far, so, because you're meant to do something big. So don't be afraid of your own creativity. I don't know why I'm getting that. You're afraid of your own work. You're afraid of it's like you're afraid of your own creativity. You don't know if whether your creativity is good or not. You're like, oh, whether I'm good enough, that kind of energy where you're just doubting yourself. Self-doubt, yeah, that is what is there. A lot of self-doubt. Don't doubt yourself, don't doubt your work. And you're like, whether I'm worthy enough to get that much, is my work that good? Stop that. Don't do that. Okay, be confident in your work. So let's see. Yeah, a lot of opportunities are manifesting for you guys. Okay, a lot of opportunities will manifest for you guys when you trust your intuition. Look, we have the Horus eye. You need to trust your intuition. Okay, so for some of you, it's like your music. You create music and you're not trusting in your own music, so you need to trust. Okay, and look, I was talking about the cat. Maybe cat is your spirit animal or something like that. So remember, you're meant to be independent. You can take your decisions independently. Okay, I feel you need to trust your intuition more. Yeah, you might be an artist or someone who is very creative. Paint your own colors. Don't paint other people's color, because that will not make you happy. Have more fun. Fun is manifesting. Independence, financial independence is manifesting for you guys. I feel like that. Lot of protection. I said you that. Look, 3 number. Your mind, body, soul knows best. Your intuition knows best what's good for you. Trust that. Lot of love from your angels. Look, loyalty. You need to be loyal to your work, guys. You need to be like, don't doubt your work. Okay, be loyal to yourself. Why are you doubting your work? Don't do that. Okay, so yeah, again we have a dog. Lot of loyalty. Okay, then yeah, you need to fix that. You need to fix your self-doubt. You need to fix that thing, that one thing that is not good for you, and you know that one habit that is not good for you. It can be anything. That is what is stopping your abundance. I feel that is what is stopping your manifestation, your self-doubt. You're not accepting help from other people or something like that. That one thing, you know that. What is it that is stopping your abundance or stopping your manifestations? Because you're meant to have so much. You're meant to have the money you need. You're meant to have so many opportunities. You're meant to work. You know, I'm getting this freelancing also, where you can work from home if you want to. You know, lot of opportunities, lot of career growth, lot of love opportunities are also there. A lot of divine connection is there. What is that one habit stopping your manifestations? Is that your have, maybe for some of you it can be low self-esteem. Maybe it can be you don't trust yourself. Maybe you don't trust your own capabilities. A lot of self-doubt, not confident about yourself. That is the one thing you need to fix. Or it can be anything else for others. You know that, right? You need to fix that. You need to let go of that thing. And look busy. You're going to be very busy with your work. A lot of opportunities are coming your way. You're going to be busy, guys. And we have tea. Yeah, you need to have fun. You need to connect with your friends, the people you love. Have some tea. Hum. Okay, maybe for some of you, you have a friend gang. I don't know. Maybe you have a group of friends that you are not connecting with. You need to connect with them. Yeah, release your past, guys. Yeah, I don't know. You have a group of friends. They are calling you. But you're like, oh no, I don't want to go. I don't want to spend quality time. Just go out, have fun. Okay, let's see. IMVZEL MV. Okay, maybe you edit songs or something like that. Like, you know, we have MVs or something like that, isn't it? You edit and put different I don't know, what is it? You put in YouTube, you know, different scenes, and then we put a music or something like that. You do that. Just go ahead and do it if you want to do it. Yeah, like editing or something, like music videos. Yeah, music videos. Something like music videos is coming. Or you just don't believe in yourself. You need to believe in yourself, okay? Music is very important here, okay? And believe. Elsa. Okay, what is that, Elsa? Someone likes Elsa here. Or maybe your name is Elsa, or you love Elsa, the Frozen, you know, Frozen, yeah. Or maybe, is Elsa the one who has power? Oh, I'm so sorry. I've seen the movie, but I don't remember, guys. Maybe you have some power, spiritual powers, like, is it Elsa? Okay, I'm so sorry with that. Okay, Lisa. I have a name, Lisa. Okay. So yeah, that's it. Bye-bye, guys. So group number 3, if you choose this octopus. Okay, with this octopus, I feel what you're manifesting, you will get. Okay, so remember to have that positive thoughts about your manifestation, because what you're thinking is manifesting. I don't know, I feel like that for many of you. If you have so yeah, it's like your manifestation skills are very high right now. So remember to manifest only that, or to remember to put your focus only onto that you want in your life, not to anything else, because that can also manifest, because your emotions are very important here. Okay, remember that. So that's very important. I'm getting that first thing. And yeah, you're very intelligent people, I feel like that. And if you're very introvert type of people, it's time to be like, you need to put yourself out there. If you do some work, maybe, you know, for some of you, I'm feeling like that you do some work and you're not showing that work to other people. So because you are like this introvert, you know, sometimes when we are introvert, we don't like, you know, we don't like to come out. And I totally relate to that, because I'm that. Okay, that's why I'm laughing, because it's very funny. Because yeah, when you're introvert, you don't like to meet people, right? Yeah, if you are introvert, you know that what I'm telling. So it's important to get out of there, speak about yourself, okay, talk that yeah, you do this, you do that, okay. If you're an artist, if you're in creative field, put your work out there, okay. That's very important here. uh, yeah, so yeah, that is very important, because sometimes as introverts we spend a lot of quality time with ourselves. We don't communicate that much, right? We don't like to communicate that much, I know that. So but it's time to get a little bit extrovert. It's time to go out and have fun with friends or something like that is also coming, because you're like, because of this lockdown also, I feel you're like, if you're introverts, you have like, you like that period. Yeah, trust me, we like that period, okay. We are, if you are introvert, you know what I'm talking about. If you're not, it's not your message. But if you're introvert, it's time to get out, okay. Get out of your house, okay. For some of you, okay, it's also that is coming strong. Get out of your house and have fun. Show the world what you have learned, or show your capabilities, show your talent to the other people. Get it out, whatever it is, because that is going to be successful. If you're desiring to have that, you need to put yourself out there, okay. Yeah, that is also coming. And yes, definitely your manifestation skills are also good. You're good at meditating. If you're meditating, I feel, yeah, for some of you, definitely your psychic powers are also good, okay. Maybe your clairvoyance, okay, you can see that, see vision or something like that, clairsentience or clairaudience. So trust your intuition, guys, okay. That is also coming through. And yeah, purple color, your crown chakra is activated. So yeah, if you're working on that, your spirituality, if you're working on your spirituality, if you're working on your spirituality, if you do some spiritual work, get out of there, get out of your comfort zone, I'm getting here. Maybe put yourself out there. Maybe yeah, if you're learning something, just put yourself out there. I don't know, what is that, I don't know, but put yourself out there, okay. Show your skills. Let's see what else. Oh, you and your loved ones are safe. Okay, if you're worrying about your loved ones, if you're away from them, remember they are safe. So you have been praying for them, for their health, something like that. Yes, they are safe, your family is safe, you are safe. So yes, so remember, you're safe, you're protected, okay. Don't worry about them too much, okay, because yeah, they are safe. Wow, that's a very beautiful message, isn't it? To know that our family is safe, our family members are safe, the people we love are safe, right? Isn't it? So yeah, they are safe. Don't let your past hold you back. Okay, for some of you, yeah, past. So yeah, maybe in the past you failed, and that's why you're not showing your skills to other people, because, so don't let your past hold you back in any way, okay guys. Let go of that past energy, because you're meant for big things, I feel like that. For some of you, if you're learning something new, go with it. You have skill, okay. I don't know why I'm getting that. Maybe you have that skill and you're not putting out yourself because you're so afraid. In the past you were told that you're not good enough, because sometimes when we are introverts, you know, people don't we don't gain that much attention, okay, isn't it? Sometimes we don't get the recognition we deserve, I feel like that. So maybe you're afraid of that, because in the past you might have worked hard but you didn't get the recognition, because you don't communicate yourself well, because sometimes we don't become that extroverts where, you know, sometimes we don't grasp that attention. So it's time to get out of that cave. Yeah, that is I feel like that it's time to talk, it's time to show your skills or something like that. Don't let your, look at the back of the deck, show the world the real you. Oh my god. Yeah, that's the thing, just show yourself, don't be afraid. Sometimes we do, maybe for some of you you're doing something, maybe you're artist, but you are not showing your skills to other people because you're so shy. Okay, maybe you're shy, or I don't know, but something about that. You need to show yourself out there, put yourself out there. Don't let your past, don't let your don't let anything hold you back, okay. That's it. Celebrate your accomplishments with humility. You are crowned with success. Powerful forces guide you. Your ability to conquer challenges is limitless. Look at that. You can conquer anything. And yes, you have so much of you're gonna, as I said, your manifestation skills are very high. You can manifest anything you desire. So at the same time, the only thing you need to do is get out of your comfort zone. Don't let your communicate well. Maybe I feel you're not communicating, that's why maybe you're missing out some opportunities or something like that. Maybe you're not putting your your skills out there, that's why you're missing some opportunities. I'm feeling like that. So don't do that. Get out of your comfort zone. That is very strong here. Okay, don't let your past hold you back because of past failures, or maybe in the past you were not recognized for your work, or because of that you're not putting yourself out there. So it's time to put outside. Come outside. Get out of the box, and because of that you will be having a lot of success. That is what I feel. A lot of success is manifesting, and for some of you, definitely you are coming out of that that closet or that box that you were in. You're showing yourself. You're going to show yourself to other people. Now you're not afraid. I feel like that is what manifesting for you guys. You're not afraid what other people think about you or your work. You were afraid in the past. It's like freedom is manifesting for you guys, or for something like that. Freedom, I can sense freedom. A lot of freedom is manifesting. A lot of health is like, a lot of good health is manifesting. I feel you will have a lot of peace. Peace, calmness. I'm getting goosebumps. So definitely a lot of a lot of healing. I feel you were going through some healing. I'm getting goosebumps. So yes, I feel like that. Okay, so this is good. I feel you're manifesting freedom, and you're going to, I feel in the future you're going to live the life you want, the way you want. Okay, you're not going to be in the cage anymore, in the jail anymore, in the prison anymore. You're just breaking free from that, breaking free from your thoughts. You're just putting yourself out there. And you're going to be rewarded for that. You're going to be recognized for your work. A lot of recognition. Definitely. A lot of recognition is coming your way. A lot of success is coming your way. And look, you're also protected. I feel this pile is like, if you do some spiritual related stuff, you're very, very, very wise people, guys. I feel you'll channel a lot of information from the divine. Look at this horns. I feel like that. You're like a channel. You channel a lot of things, and you get a lot of ideas, a lot of creative ideas. Whatever field you are in, you get a lot of creative ideas, inspiration from the divine. Take that and work it, because you will get a lot of success. And you can go through any challenges. Okay, you are so strong, people. You're becoming more stronger. You're going to be in your power. At the same time, you're going to be very selfless, compassionate, kind. Okay, that is what I'm feeling for you guys. Look, on top of the world. You're going to be on top of the world. You will be like, yes, I accomplished this. I'm going to accomplish more things in my life. Yes, I'm in my power. That kind of energy. Look, wow, beautiful. You're going to be very successful. I feel like that. In relationship, in career, whatever you want to manifest, that's important. Travel. Wow, look again. Lot of ideas, lot of spiritual knowledge. I feel like that. A lot of angels are around you. Maybe you believe in Archangel Michael. Archangel Michael. I feel like that Archangel Michael is providing the stability you need in your life, protection. Call upon him. I feel like that. And Archangel Gabriel also for your communication. Maybe you have communication. That is what. Your throat chakra. I feel for many of you, you're balancing your throat chakra. You had problem communicating in the past, but I see that is like, you are going to communicate your truth. You're going to share your knowledge to the world. You're going to share your wisdom to the world. You're going to share your experiences to the world. You're going to tell your story to the world. And that will make you very successful. A lot of ideas you're going to share it to the people. Something unique, okay? Something good. I'm getting that. Wow, very strong, okay? Communication. I feel like that. Maybe for some of you, you're healing your subconscious, You're reprogramming your subconscious, getting out of your past, completely letting go of the past and creating room for new opportunities, new life I'm getting for this. No more past, no more past, no more past. That is what I'm getting here. Wow. You're gonna grow. Your consciousness is growing. Yeah. You have been waiting for things. You have been reaping that, you have been planting that seeds and waiting for that. When this will manifest, it will manifest. Okay, it will manifest. Don't worry, your hard work is paying off, guys. Okay, remember that. And look, Queen of Cups, I was talking about intuition. With this Queen of Cups, you are so intuitive. With your channel, you can be medium also. I don't know why. You will be helping other people through their problems. I feel like that. So that is why you're meant to have a bigger life purpose. You're meant to come out. I feel like that. Yeah, you are meant to help a lot of people. You're meant to give wisdom to a lot of people also. So that is also manifesting your intuition power. You are very intuitive. I feel for some of you, it's your intuition. You're gaining some spiritual gifts or something like that. That is coming. Yeah, look at the Judgment, new life. It's like a second chance. It's something different. And angels are like, wake up, wake up. You're meant to come out. Don't hold yourself. Don't be in the past. Get out, get out. Yeah, you are getting out of your past. You're completely different person now. Okay, new ideas, new inspiration, and you're gonna build something very, very good, very, very solid. I feel like that. Okay, so don't let your past hold you back from anything. Okay, Queen of Cups energy, motherly energy. Your emotions will give you the answers. Your intuition is very strong. Remember that. Trust it. Okay. Yeah, your hard work will pay off, guys. Yeah, you're waiting for that to bloom, and it will bloom. Okay, but don't be so caught up in the time. Okay, because everything will happen at the divine timing only. Okay, the angels, because they have to work, right? So yeah, remember that everything is going to happen. And I feel for many of you, it's everything is good. Okay, everything is good. Don't worry, don't worry. Okay, so yeah, wow. Friends. Okay, all the love your light extends its reflection shown in chosen friends. Okay, so there are friends, or maybe you will be manifesting some friends, soul friends. Maybe you didn't have any friends. In the future, I see manifesting some good friends. Okay, that is coming through. Or maybe a spiritual community, if you are in, you will be manifesting from there. Or soul tribe, finding your own soul tribe. It's not necessary that it should be a spiritual community, but I'm saying it, okay, because I feel that spiritual vibe is strong here. Or maybe you will be manifesting certain friends. Okay, mountains. I'm seeing the mountains. Okay, so there are okay, so I have to say this with this mountains. I'm just, my eyes are like going to this mountains, and I feel like that your path is not going to be very easy. It's not going to be the smooth road. Okay, but definitely it's worth. Okay, it's worth. So just take that path, go with your intuition, because you will win for sure. Okay, but yes, there will be obstacles, but you are so strong enough to overcome that. Okay, that is also coming through. Okay, I have to say that. Yeah, you're limitless. You will get a lot of opportunities. Okay, and yes, your friends, some of you are manifesting true friends in your life. Okay, you have been waiting for that kind of relationship. So good relationship also, because I feel if you're an introvert, it's very hard to make friends also. So maybe that's why. Okay, I don't know, maybe. Yeah, butterflies. Oh, we got this for group number 2 also. Yeah, complete transformation. Ancestors are with you. Yeah, come out of that box. Show the world the real you, because there's a lot of success, lot of things you have to. Your destiny. I feel your destiny is like to have abundance, have success, but at the same time you need to do something that is out of your comfort zone. And I feel you're getting it. You're afraid to come out, but don't be afraid. Just come out. Okay. Yeah, you're going to have the success. I feel like that, definitely. Let's see the charms anyways. Okay, for group number 2. Okay, for some of you, if you're, I don't know, if you're waiting to be a mother, okay, if you want to conceive, I feel that will happen. Or for some of you, if you're planning to start something, some business, that will happen. Something that you've been waiting yeah, correct timing will come, and you will know it, and you will start it. Okay. Look, you will feel accomplished. I feel like that. You'll be so happy with yourself, your own achievements. Okay. I'm getting a message. Don't compare yourself to other people. Okay, here, when you feel like comparing yourself to other people, just look at yourself. Okay, the person you were 1 year ago. Okay, and then you will know you have come so far. You have come you have come so far. Okay, I feel like that. You have taken big steps in your life. Okay, so remember that, who you are. Remember that, because look, recognition, and for some of you, look, you're going to be crowned with success, right? Yeah, look, we have this crown also. You are crowned with success, or for some of you, you can see the future. I feel like that prophecy or something like that. Very big things. Okay, trust your intuition, guys. A lot of recognition is coming your way. You're manifesting recognition, you're manifesting success, you're manifesting fulfillment, enlightenment, happiness, peace. Yeah, clairvoyance, clear vision. You will know, you will get clarity. Definitely. Yeah, let go. Okay, for some of you, maybe you are letting go of your old house and moving to a new house or a new office space, something new, or maybe you're overcoming your problems and you're getting solutions, you're getting your answers and moving away from your past. A lot of happiness. Yeah, a lot of passion. You'll be so passionate about your work. Yes. Love. Okay, in love you need to fix something. Maybe you need to love yourself more, or maybe you don't need to control anyone, or maybe for some of you it's like a message here, you cannot solve everyone's problem. Maybe you try to solve your family problem, but you cannot do that. You cannot control their emotions. Remember that also. You cannot fix someone if they don't want that. Okay, you can only fix the people who want it. You cannot fix someone who doesn't want it, right? Remember that. Okay, I don't know why it's coming. Yeah, romance, lot of romance. And yeah, romantic, if you're single, yeah, definitely someone is coming. Yeah, magic, a lot of magical things are coming your way. You're gonna trust the universe. You're gonna see the magic in your life. That is manifesting. Yeah, if you were the one who never believed in magic, I see you believing in magic, because you will see it. You'll see in your life. Okay, it's like, it was under this shell. You're manifesting your own abundance, your own success. You're loving yourself. You will be in this gratitude energy, I feel. Yeah, or for some of you, it's important to have a gratitude journal, because you will be manifesting so much things in your life. So it's important. Sometimes we manifest, I feel this pile is like you'll be manifesting a lot of things and you'll be like, is this even true? So keep that gratitude journal, or say that gratitude to your spirit guides, angels, ancestors, because yes, you have a lot of abundance, success coming, a lot of happiness, guys, a lot of clarity. You're protected also. Okay, you're gonna love yourself. Self-love is manifesting for you guys. I feel like in the past you never loved yourself, but in the future I see you are becoming stronger in your power. I feel you will be teaching other people about self-love or something, how you in your past, how you conquered so many obstacles in your love, how you loved yourself. Okay, I don't know, I'm getting this specific message. Someone will say you, I love you. Are you manifesting I love you from someone? I don't know, but definitely I see someone is saying I love you. I don't know what is that, but definitely. You're the best. I don't know, I'm getting that. You're the best. And remember that. You're the best. Okay, January. This, I don't know why, because we get that. Yeah, we have Jan, right? We have UA also. We don't we have yeah. Yeah. Okay, January. This month is very important for you guys. We just don't have an R, we have Y also. So January month something is some things are manifesting for you guys. Okay? Be ready. Okay. Be you guys, be you. Yeah, be you. Don't be someone else. Don't try to be someone else. Be you because you're best. Okay. Mm. Okay. Oh my God. Actually, I told you we don't have an R, but we definitely have. So January month is very important. Okay, we have an R here. Okay, I didn't see that. So yeah, so January month, this month is very important. Okay guys, some manifestations are coming in for you guys. I feel like that, and I don't know what is it, but it's coming. Okay, yeah, wow. Best of luck guys, congratulations. Something is happening in the month of January. I feel that will make you very happy, and you will be feeling all on the top of the world. Okay, bye guys, have fun, take care.